Sam.
Hello.
How's my girl? Wow, for such a talkative child, all of a sudden you get real quiet.
Camera. It's kind of like a phone. It's like you're starting to, fly. Just gonna sit here and be awkward for a while if you don't mind.
This is where Sam spends a lot of her life, at her beloved computer. So this is my my little friend here. She sits behind my left shoulder and types away. Hello, Sam.
Hello.
Hello,
Hi.
Sam.
Hello.